Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you had a lovely Valentine week. I spent it mostly with my cat. We both enjoy our bachelor trip and eat lots of cake and tuna. So regardless being single, this time I made an embroidery painting on Valentine theme. A bit like torturing myself, but it was quick and easy pattern, so definitely less pain. Personally, I love doing fabric painting. It's very relaxing and take a lot of less time than embroideries. So starting off with embroidery, I use some quick and simple stitches, nothing too complicated. So it will be quite easy to create by anyone. Soon I'll be uploading this design at my Etsy shop also. So if any one of you are interested to make this pattern yourself, you can check out this pattern from my shop and my other designs also. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you at the end. Lately I've been getting a lot of mixed reviews about my videos. For some, they are saying that it's too long, and some are saying that they are too short and I'm not showing the whole process properly and it's getting too fast. So I would really wanted to know what you guys think about these. Please tell me in the comment section. I would love to know and create the changes and modify my videos according to that. I hope you guys like this whole process. Please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon next week. Until then, take care and thanks for stopping by.